Okay, here's going to be the steps of the things that I'm going to need to do for this. So in Shopify, on the left nav, you're going to go into Analytics, Reports. If your reports don't look like this, you can just search for this, but you're going to go to Summary first. So I'm going to click on the Summary, and I want to always look at, I'm going to be looking for the last month. So it's an easy one to, you can use the date range, but I'm always going to be looking for last month. So August 1st to August 31st. Click Apply. The number that I need is this one right here, the net sales, 17,809.55, and we always just will round up, so we'll say 17,810. I need to save this. The way that I always save this is I click on the print button and I just go to in my dialog box, save as a PDF, and I'm going to save it, and I'll need a copy of that. So that's going to be one. And then the next thing that I'm going to need is back to my reports. I'm going to go to the total sales. The total sales, this one's going to be a little bit trickier, but I'm going to go to total sales. I want to find the same thing. I'm going to go to the last month. I'm going to click Apply. I don't even care about what any of this is here. I'm going to click Export. I want to export the full report, and I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to make a few little changes. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to sort this report. I'm just going to go to Data, Sort, and I'm going to sort this report by taxes. I click OK, and I scroll all the way to the right. I'm going to see I've got a bunch of negative numbers here, and the ones that I'm really interested in are the ones that say 0. You can see I've got zeros from here to here. And somewhere out on the right, I'm going to make a formula. I'm going to call this equal sum. I'm going to do start my parentheses, and I'm going to just go on this net sales column of any of the columns that have a 0 here. And I'm going to start there, and I'm going to go all the way down until this is the last one that has 0 taxes. I'm going to click Enter. That's my number that I need right there. So I'm going to write down 846 because we're rounding that up, and I'm going to save this report. Save it, and I'll need that to be sent to me each month. So what I do with those numbers is I go to this email, which you're going to get. I'm going to click on, I'm going to log in to this account from that email. You'll have the user and password, and it's going to take you to these messages here. I'm just going to want to go back to my dashboard, and I'm going to go to, there's 2 MGTW holdings, but I'm going to go to this first one, and I'm going to click on File Taxes. I'm going to click on and then here is the period that I'm going to be the one that's due. So this is due on 9/20. That's the one that I'm going to do right now. I click that. The first number I'm going to enter is the total receipts number. That's going to be that 17,810. And then the next number is going to be from this deductions worksheet. I'm going to click that. I'm going to go scroll down to where it's sales in interstate commerce delivered to an out-of-state. Basically, these are sales that I incurred that were shipped out of state. I don't have to pay tax on that. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to enter my 846 there. Finish adding deductions. I'm going to go down, click submit. And now I've submitted the form. You can see submitted on return. I don't need any copies of anything here. I'm going to make a payment, although it just gave me a server application, but the make a payment part is going to actually be pretty simple. We'll try it again. It's not just down right now, so I'm going to have to go in, but the make a payment process, you just need account information for that. So that's the process.